Hey guys! Have you ever been curious about climate? Today we are going to tackle about it. But first of all, we are going to introduce ourselves.
Hi, I'm Kyla Sarton.
I'm Brennan Gisela B. Ehera.
I'm James Vincent C. Marie.
And I'm Jessica Yulisa Lizadilla.
Hey! Oh, hi guys! My name is Khatija A. Muhammad.
So you may ask, what is climate? Climate is the overall atmospheric condition of a place for a period of 30 years or more.
Climate change is influenced by latitude, altitude, distance from bodies of water, ocean current, and topography.
Air temperature decreases when altitude increases. The altitude of a place will affect the air temperature. For example, Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro is located in Africa and found near the equator. The peak of this mountain was covered by ice, all because the air temperature increases and as the latitude decreases. But why do mountain climbers wear thick clothes or jackets when they go up to the mountain? Because the air temperature decreases as the altitude increases.
Bodies of water moderate climate by heating and cooling more slowly than soil, leading to milder temperature in coastal area. For example, the British Isles, surrounded by water, has more moderate climate than inland Moscow. Despite being on the same latitude, mountains affect weather, forcing moist air to rise on the windward side, causing precipitation, while leeward side remains dry due to the rain shadow effect.
Ocean currents act like the conveyor belt transporting the water from the equator towards the poles and cold water from the poles towards the equator. This movement of water significantly influences the temperature and climate of coastal regions. Warm currents like the Gulf Stream originate near the equator and flow towards the higher latitudes. They carry warm water, increasing the temperature of the air above them. Cold currents such as the California current originate in polar regions and flow towards lower latitudes. They carry cold current, causing the air above them to be cooler.
The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface by trapping heat in the atmosphere. It's caused by greenhouse gases. So what are the greenhouse gases? First, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide comes from burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. Second, methane. Methane comes from livestock farming, rice fields, and landfills. Third, chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons comes from old refrigerators and air conditioners. Fourth, nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide comes from fertilizers used in agriculture. The more gases there is, the higher global temperatures due to increased heat absorption. On the other hand, fewer gases leads to cooler temperatures. Human activities like burning fossil fuels, agriculture, and land clearing increase the concentration of greenhouse gases. This increases the greenhouse effect, which contributes to global warming and climate change.
Hey guys, have you ever wondered what are the impacts of climate change? Well, climate change affects our environment in different ways, including hotter temperature, more severe storm, increased drought, loss of species, rising of sea levels, more health risks, not enough food, and poverty and displacement. Aside from these impacts of climate change, let us talk about the two cyclical events that we encounter here in the Philippines. These are the El Nino and La Nina. El Nino is an abnormal and lengthy warming in the eastern part of the Pacific Ocean. This natural phenomenon occurs irregularly from 2 to 7 years and lasts for 9 months or 2 years at most. The term El Nino refers to Christ the child That is why it starts at the end of the year or during the Christmas season. El Niño happens when the central and eastern part of the Pacific Ocean rises above normal and becomes unusually warm. However, La Niña on the other side occurs when the central and eastern equatorial Pacific is cooler than the average. It may last for 9 to 12 months or 2 years. Trade wind and upwelling are some causes of La Niña. Now, let's all remember that La Niña's effects are the opposite of El Niño.